Taking a look at this Benebone real bacon chew toy for dogs. I had hoped to be joined by my co-host, but I don't think. Oh, here he is. So let's see if he's interested in this Benebone. This says it's for under 60 pounds. I think he's under 60 pounds. So let's see if he's interested in this made in the USA Benebone. And I believe they call it that because they bend it like this so that if it's laying on the floor, even dogs that have nose challenge like this dog are able to pick it up. Now the problem is I'm just not sure he's going to be interested in this for the video. So let's see if we can talk him into being interested in this for the video. And we'll use the indicator there to let us know that this is legit a bone he's interested in eating. So this is an all bacon, well, a bacon flavored, made in the USA treat for dogs, and I believe you see that he is quite interested in it. Again, I think the shape of it is pretty handy. Here you go, boy. He's sick of me not giving it to him. So that'll end the video. Hope this helps. That's why we bought it.